Won't he do it? Don't even be scared to get content all 2024. I've been here since 10 o'clock this morning. It's 2 o'clock. Ugh. So that's the overall finishing of your garment. But yeah, it's bad bitch loading. Maintenance before my getaway. It's up. It's lit. She get money. Her body tea. Yes.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Hey loves, welcome back. Ooh. Okay, for real, let me be serious. I can't never be serious. Like, be serious, okay? Hey loves. I decided to pick up my camera and film. Go ahead and film today. Today is Monday, May 6th. We're gonna do like a little, I guess like a little semi-maintenance vlog, but I'm really starting off doing laundry today, so we ain't getting straight into, I mean, it is still maintenance. So, yeah, it's maintenance. Yeah, I got my little LED light too because I just did a TikTok and I feel like it just made the lighting a little tad bit better. I didn't even do my edges though, but it still eats. And do I feel like doing them? Not really. Like, I'll probably do them when I get back, but yeah. Right now, I'm about to go to the laundromat. I'm about to go ahead and do laundry this morning. And then today, I'm really just going to be finishing up on homework, exams that I need to do for this week because I'm checking out of school things Wednesday. Like, no, Tuesday's my last day working on anything school related. So, yeah. Going ahead and knocking that out. Yeah, that's really bad. I went ahead and ate already, drank me some tea, thankfully. I might just go ahead and head out for today. Let's go ahead and wash these clothes, get that over with, and get back to the house. The shoes that I ordered, tell me, okay. I'm ordering off this website, Me Moves. I don't even know. I'll pop it up on the screen. I wouldn't recommend. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. First off, I ordered the shoes, and I paid for express shipping, which was $17.99. I wanted to get these little gold heels. They were cute. You know, they were cheap on sale. They was doing a little sale or whatever. So I'm like, okay, these cute. These eat down because I've been looking for a little gold shoe. I was sitting there moving so fast. When I originally went to look at the shoes, I just put in a size. And I was just guessing my size. I didn't go look at my shoe boxes and see what size I wear because they do 38s, 39s, 37, the little heels and stuff like that, which annoys me. I wish they just do the 7, 7.5, 8, like why? End up ordering the shoe a size too small. I originally liked to order 8, 7.5, but I had got the shoes in a 7. So I'm just praying that the shoes fit. They was originally supposed to be here Wednesday, the day I leave, but I got an email this morning. They're coming today by 7. When he do it, and hopefully I'm fingers crossed that they fit because that literally just blew me. I really just was rushing to order the shoes because I wanted to see when they'd be here because I did not think they'd be here in time, but did all that and still ordered the wrong size. But I digress. Nothing major, yeah. So let's just do that. We're gonna go ahead and start it off right, and yeah. Okay, y'all, the shoes end up coming. I was washing clothes and I got that email that the shoes came. I was like, let me hurry up and get home. So I'm about to try the shoes on. All right, y'all. This box looks so little. Oh, this is the shoe. It's cute. It's all right. It's a little cutie. Let's see. Oh, shit. And even lie, I feel like it kind of ate down better in the picture, but they actually fit, thankfully. So I am glad about that. I don't know. I'm probably going to have to, honey, these feet's not going to have to be that oily when wearing these, honey, because on that tile floor, I was kind of slipping. But, you know, when you walking on the ground surface, I feel like they cute, easy to walk, won't hurt your feet, something cute, classy. So, yeah. Okay, rising, y'all. It's the next, why am I getting tongue-tied? Rising, it's the next day. So today I'm about to get ready to go to the nail salon. My appointment is at 10. Yeah, it's currently like about to be 9:50. It's like 9:40 something. I'm finishing up my J. I'm about to go. I'm already dressed. I drank my smoothie. I cooked dinner too for the night. I still gotta cook my boo chicken. But yeah, I already cooked like my vegetables and stuff like that, you know, my veggie things. Yeah, that's really that. I really want to vlog in there because this place is really nice. I really do like the inside of this place. I be by myself and I be kind of scared, like, you know, the ads, like, is it okay if I vlog? But I think I'm going to just pull it out, whip it out, you know, do my big one. Don't even be scared to get content all 2024. It's 5 more days to the G day. What? Oh. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get ready to go. They open at 10. I'm literally going to be the first appointment. Well, I don't know if I'm the only one that's scheduled at 10, but I know I schedule as soon as they open because I be like to be in and out. You can be at the nail salon all day. Usually I like to get my feet and my nails done separately, but they're not open on Monday, so I couldn't go get my feet or nails done yesterday. So I had to get them both done today because I'm leaving tomorrow. So yeah, and I'm already getting my hair done in the mornings, and we leaving like after I get my hair done basically. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that, put my lip liner on and stuff, head out. Had to show my feet in the car. I done messed around and got in the car, y'all. I've been here since 10 o'clock this morning. It's 2 o'clock. Now I'm about to try to rush to campus because I got to submit this dress by 4:30, have the picture submitted, and I think I got to turn it in. That's what I'm not really sure about. I wasn't sure on that, so I got to go to campus either way. So I'm about to hurry up now, go home real quick, put something on my stomach, and do that, make it in time, hopefully. I am on the way to my hair appointment and it's about to be 8:50. I'm gonna be there literally at 8:59. I'm trying to be there probably 8:57, a little more, but 8:59 is cool. She got a 5-minute grace period. I'm just not trying to get past that little 5-minute grace period, and I ain't even trying to do that. I'm trying to be on time. But yes, I had to hurry up out the house. I done damn near almost forgot to lotion my face. I probably look halfway greasy. But yeah, I'm on the way there, and after this I just got to get some lashes. But yeah, it's bad bitch loading. Look at me. I don't even want to touch it or mess with it or nothing. I don't want to do nothing.
That's good, and honestly, it do hurt.
Y'all, look at the hair. It was curled. My curls literally just fell. It don't really hold the curl too well. I'm probably just gonna end up flexi rodding it, but this shit matches my natural hair so well. Like, I am so just shocked. Like, what in the hell? This is crazy. Crazy. I don't even know what to do. Me and straight hair, I don't even really know what I need to be doing, but let me look at the GPS. I'm on the way home. I done had to pin the hair up. I done had to pin it up, child. I don't even know what to do with straight hair, really. It's been years since I got my hair done, since I straightened my hair. Like, Wow. Yeah, I had that kinky sew-in last year for my birthday, but you know, I did that myself. You know, it's just different when you do your own hair. Like, I'm a DIY girly. It's different from doing your hair and going to get it done, just pampering yourself. Hey, y'all, I feel so cute. Like, yes. Well, I really need to be back in my bag. I made me a list. I'm gonna pop up my list right here. I need to go to, well, yeah, I'm gonna go to the hair store. And then I'm gonna pack my bag. So with this trip, the goal was to just really go with the flow. So I'm not packing like outfits, I guess you could say, because I just want to get clothes there, like, you know, shop there instead of ordering online and shopping before. Like, that's usually what I do. So I wanted to do something different this go round. We're gonna do that. And yeah, I got some shoes though. I know what heels I want to bring, I guess you could say. But yeah, I'm gonna bring like sandals, my little heels, just stuff to be still cute but give, you know? I had to smoke my J too because I'm just anxious, excited, like I'm just all over the place, I feel like. So just calming down, slowing down so I don't be moving too fast, moving with a chicken with my head cut loose, moving like a chicken with my head cut loose. Like, calm down, calm down. Maintenance before my getaway. It's up, it's lit. Basically done with maintenance though. The only two things left that I gotta do: shave my unders and my meow. I wish I could get wags, but honey, whew, I don't know, the reflexes, the meow lips, I just don't know if they that strong yet, you know, to really take that. So I ain't even gonna put myself through that right now. But yeah, stick to what I do best and do my eyelashes. And really that's it besides pack my bag. I really don't got other stuff to do, but I already know what I'm really bringing besides like underclothes, like little tops. I'm gonna just bring little tops that I made and just little cute stuff just so that I can put on and still feel cute. But I'm gonna get stuff like just in case I want to dress fancy. I mean, I might not even get that, who knows, but I just want to go with the flow, have a good time, and yeah, it's the vibes. Next clip, I'm gonna be doing my lashes with y'all. That's what I'm gonna do for y'all. I'm gonna do the lashes because I'm probably just gonna wait till we get to the Airbnb after we drive off the road. But yeah, I'm gonna pop back in once I'm doing my lashes for the maintenance prep getaway. Today is May 9th, yeah. I had to think about what the day was. It's giving like 90s vibe, like with the look. She get money, her body tea. Yes. Just really giving 90s things. Go get that out the kitchen for me, for real. That's a regular program. It's May 9th. I'm about to do my individual lashes because I'm about to go ahead and close this maintenance vlog out because I'm also recording too, like my birthday trip and then all of that, all the things of such. Well, I'm on the trip now, so it's like, yeah, you know. I'm about to go ahead and do my individual lashes. I'm about to use these right here, the little V-Lux. I really didn't want to use these. I wanted to order something off Amazon, but we just gonna have to work with what we got. And I be using this glue, like the little glue and seal. I use that remover too, honey. The remover, that is big one. Them things came off instantly. I mean, they was hanging on by a thread anyway, but I might stack them. I don't know yet. Okay, y'all, I know I'm looking kind of crazy. I got my hair still wrapped and I'm leaving like this until I come back and I start unwrapping and styling and stuff because I'm about to go eat. I'm hungry. But anyways, I was coming to go ahead and close my little maintenance getaway for me, a maintenance for my getaway. I did my lashes too. Like how they came out. Yeah, you can see. That's how my lashes came out. I do like them. They're cute. It's cute. I'm loving it. I was gonna stack them, but I just end up not even stacking them So yeah, I did long and then medium, just long and medium. I'm about to go ahead and eat. This is the end of the maintenance getaway vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. What could I say? Comment. Ooh. Comment if you want to get away and where to. Where you trying to go? Where you want to get away to? For real. Next vlog will be the filming of this video, so stay tuned for that. We on the road to 500 subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.